Good morning, my students of class 5th. Today we will learn our value education subject. Before that, I would like to ask you, how can we live our life? There were some time we faced so many problems, but how can we arrange with that problems? Means of what? Every time when we are facing problem, we are complaining about that problem, but we have to do some adjustment and take advantage of that problem. Take good something from that problem. How is that? We will learn through this story. The story is our lesson number 6 of value education subject. Which one are you? This is the story. And how can we accept your problems with thinking of positive? I am reading the story first, then we will try to understand what is the story. Lesson number 6. Which one are you? Building a positive attitude. Road ahead. How do you handle problems? Do you quit and want to run away from them? Or do you face them with a positive attitude and change them into opportunities? Read this interesting story. A young woman went to her mother and told her about the difficulties she was facing in life. She was tired of fighting and struggling in life. Her mother took her to the kitchen. She filled 3 pots with water. In the first, she placed carrots. In the second, she placed eggs. And in the last, she placed ground coffee beans. She let them boil for half an hour. Then she turned off the burners and took the carrots and eggs out and placed them in a bowl. Finally, she strained the coffee beans. Turning to her daughter, she asked, "Tell me, what do you see?" "Carrots, eggs, and coffee," she said. The mother brought her closer and asked her to feel the carrots. She did and noted that they were soft and mushy. She then asked her to take an egg and break. After pulling off the shell, she observed the hardened egg. Finally, she asked her to sip the coffee. The doctor smiled as she tasted its deep flavor and inhaled its rich aroma. "Mother, what does it mean?" she asked. The mother looked at her daughter and explained, "She, see, the carrots, eggs, and coffee beans had each faced the same difficulty, the boiling water. However, each one reacted differently because of its attitude. The carrot went in strong and hard, but in boiling water, it became soft and weak. The egg was fragile with thin outer shell. Inside the boiling water, it became hard. However, the ground coffee beans were unique. After they were exposed to the boiling water, they changed the water and created something new." "Which one are you?" asked the mother. to her daughter. Men faced with difficulty always react like the coffee beans. Hold a positive attitude and face the challenge in such a way that you change the problem into an opportunity. Make things work in your favor through a positive attitude. Reflections of this story: in life, things happen around us. Things happen to us. But the only thing that truly matters is our attitude towards these things. We can either react in a positive way or in a negative way. Life is all about learning, adopting, and converting all the struggles that we experience into something positive. There are some hard words in the lesson that are making it simple, meanings strained, strained, strain, pour through a sieve to separate the solid matter. Number two, mushy, MESHY, soft, wet, and pulpy. Third is inhaled, INHALED, means breathe in. Aroma, 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 pleasant smell. Fragile, 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 easily broken and damaged. Unique, UNIQUE, special or unusual. Adopting, 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 taking up and practicing. Based on the given story, write words in the blank boxes to show how each of the three items went in the boiling water and how they reacted in it. You have to write down that how they become after boiling water. Answer the following questions. You think over that and write what they feel about that. Then next is true and false. The daughter saw that on boiling, the carrots had changed into a flavorful, crispy dish. On boiling, the coffee beans gave out an unpleasant smell. Like the egg, same people are soft in nature, but when faced with difficulty, they become insensitive and hard. On boiling, the coffee beans changed the water and created a flavorful aromatic drink. We should make things work in our favor through all means good. Then next is life skill exercise. That also you have to write plus or minus.